Okay, it is late October. I'm out here on a kayaking turkey hunting adventure. One of my favorite rivers in southern Missouri. Love this time of year. Love this river at this time of year. And usually got the whole place pretty much to myself. So just a beautiful day, as you can see. Fall colors are really kicking in. And it's just going to be great. Whole flock of turkey over here. Whole flock of turkey. Dang, wish I had my shotgun handy. Oh my gosh. Here they come. They're going to fly across the river. Oh, one. There's a bunch more. Holy cow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, man. Holy cow. Another one. Look at this deer. This deer is still just, there must be 20, 30 turkey there. Oh, it's a big gobbler, too. Look at this deer. Good morning, deer. All right, got camp set up. Everything's kind of unpacked and stowed away for the time being. It's getting a little warm now. It's supposed to get up to 70 degrees today, which is a little warm for this time of year. Anyhow, we're heading that way. Woods are a little bit more open. Back up in there. All right, well, the afternoon hunt wasn't too terribly exciting. It was really windy. But as soon as that wind died down, I heard some birds back up the way, kind of start to call back and forth as they were headed to their roost. And a whole bunch of them crossed the creek and went up to the roost here about a half an hour, 45 minutes ago. So I know exactly where they're roosted for tomorrow morning. So I'm going to slip back in. I'm going to slip back in here tomorrow while it's still dark. And I found a really good place to set up where I can hopefully call them right in. So the only challenge is my camp isn't too far from where they're roosted, so I'm going to go back to camp when it's totally pitch dark and try to stay as quiet as I possibly can, and again get back over here first thing tomorrow morning, before the sun comes up. Well, things didn't quite work out as planned. That group of birds that I had located last evening and set up on this morning, sure enough, they flew off roost about a half an hour after the sunrise, and then instead of coming my way, they just decided to keep on going straight. So that's the way it goes with turkeys. Rest of the morning, I just kind of did some scouting around and did some calling, and had a couple of birds responding, but nothing wanted to quite come in close enough for a shot. And it's so thick out here still. It's I thought it would be kind of more thinned out this time of year, but not so. Anyhow, I'm going to head back to camp, have some lunch, break things down, and then we're going to do some fishing on the way back. All right. Well, as it turned out, I didn't do all that much fishing along the way back. It was just such a beautiful day that the fishing actually began distracting me from enjoying the autumn colors and appreciating all the beauty of God's creation. And after all, that's what it's all about, at least for me. You don't have to harvest a turkey or catch a big fish to thoroughly enjoy your time in the great outdoors. And so, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed this little 3 minutes adventure, and most importantly, I hope it inspires you to get out there and do something similar yourself. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.